Today, I'm going to share with you my latest dividend growth stock. This stock has consistent yield of around 6% annually, often paying out over 100% of its distributable income. This stock is potentially 15% undervalued. The company has a market capitalization of 23.37 billion pesos with an ultra lean operational overhead of 7 employees. Citicorp Energy REIT Corporation is the pioneer and largest renewable energy-focused real estate investment trust in the Philippines. Officially listed on the Philippine Stock Exchange in February 2022, the company revolutionized the local REIT market by focusing exclusively on green, sustainable infrastructure rather than traditional commercial real estate like malls or office buildings. Originally incorporated in July 2010 as Infinity Philippines Renewable Resources Incorporated, the company shifted its primary purpose to operate as REIT in October 2021. It serves as the primary asset monetization vehicle for its sponsor, Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation, which is backed by construction magnate Edgar Saavedra's Citicorp Holdings. Instead of generating and selling electricity directly, C-REIT acts as a green landlord. It acquires, holds, and manages land assets and leasehold rights underlying solar and wind power plants. To ensure its business model remains sustainable and continues to grow its dividend distributions, C-REIT is executing a multi-year investment blueprint focused on portfolio scaling, risk reduction, and proactive asset accumulation. First, under its current 3-year strategic plan, C-REIT has adopted an accelerated leasing policy that permits the company to lease out land parcels during the construction phase of a solar asset. This allows earlier income realization and faster returns to shareholders, removing the previous restrictions requiring plants to be fully operational and tested before asset acquisition. Next, C-REIT specifically targets land acquisitions in underdeveloped areas across the Philippines. By securing cheap, high-resource land early, the company benefits from long-term appreciating land values while setting up future geographical hubs for energy infrastructure. Next, C-REIT's short-term growth is heavily synchronized with CREC's goal to deploy 3.5 gigawatts of clean energy capacity by the end of 2026. As CREC scales toward its broader 5 gigawatts in 5-year target, C-REIT continuously executes disciplined property for share swaps and acquisitions to secure stable income-generating assets from its pipeline. The company actively preserves its PRS AA+ corporate credit rating. By maintaining its high credit quality and issuing ASEAN Green Bonds, C-REIT secures access to low-cost institutional capital to fund its property expansion programs without heavily diluting shareholder equity. Next is to reinforce its environmental, social, and governance mandates. C-REIT integrates its sponsor agro-solar concept across its properties. This program allows local farmers to plant agricultural crops beneath and between the solar panel arrays, directly supporting food security and ensuring community buy-in for long-term project viability. Now on valuation. The company's valuation reflects solid market confidence and structural resilience for several key reasons. Unlike office or retail REITs that experience high valuation volatility due to office vacancies or retail slumps, C-REIT's market cap is anchored by long-term land leases tied to vital power infrastructure. Investors value it as safe haven high-yield asset. C-REIT's valuation has been stabilized and bolstered by major local institutional investments, such as SM Investments Corporation acquiring a major stake. This instills strong secondary market liquidity. The standard corporate valuation of over 23 billion pesos indicates that the market is already pricing on some of the future asset injections promised by its parent sponsor, Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation. Dividing its 1.88 billion annual revenue by its 7 employees results in a staggering revenue per employee metric of roughly 267 million pesos. This virtually eliminates overhead operational leakages like massive payrolls, benefits, and office spaces, meaning nearly every peso collected from rent drops straight to the bottom line net income. The bottom line, when analyzed together, these two data points highly to an optimized passive income machine. C-REIT's revenue climbed steadily from 1.37 billion in 2022 to a stabilized high of 1.88 billion pesos by 2025. This growth trajectory was primarily propelled by the full-year operational impact of newly acquired land parcels injected into the portfolio by its sponsor company. The top-line income remains highly resilient because it is anchored by guaranteed long-term lease across its 100% occupied solar land portfolio. Net profit increased from 1.23 billion pesos during its debut year to a firm 1.43 billion pesos by the end of 2025. The company regularly converts over 75% of its total revenue directly to pure net profit, which is an incredibly high efficiency level compared to traditional commercial property REITs. The profits flattened symmetrically alongside revenue between 2024 and 2025, demonstrating a predictable non-cyclical nature of utility-based rental income. Overall, C-REIT has proven its structural stability by maintaining an EBITDA margin near 98% and a net profit margin of 76%, signaling virtually non-existent overhead or maintenance costs. The strong recurring profit levels directly support the company's unique capability to pay out up to 106% of its distributable income as cash dividends to shareholders. Backed by zero vacancy rates, long-term leases averaging nearly 20 years, and billions in remaining borrowing capacity, the company is strongly positioned to fund future renewable asset acquisitions. C-REIT made its debut at the stock market on February 2022. It immediately started paying out dividends, offering a high 7.44% yield based on its initial stock price. When a good company first lists, the stock price is often relatively low. This creates a window where investors can lock in a massive yield on their investment right from the start. In 2023, C-REIT's dividend yield peaked at 7.8%. The increase in cash payout is a result of solar plant's exceptional performance, generating bonus income based on electricity sales on top of the guaranteed base rent. Yields go up when the company distributes more cash. C-REIT proved that its business model could deliver extra cash bonuses to investors when energy production was strong. C-REIT paid out even more actual cash in 2024, but the dividend yield dropped to 6.6%. Dividend yield is a fraction, which is dividend per share divided by stock price. In 2024, investors demand caused C-REIT's stock price to jump from 2.56 to 3.05. Because the stock became more expensive, the percentage yield naturally looked smaller, even though investors were receiving more actual cash. By 2025, the company hit a record high annual payout of 0.203 per share. However, because the market recognized C-REIT as a safe and reliable asset, the stock price climbed higher to 3.22 pesos, settling the yield at a mature 6.3%. A 6.3% yield in a mature company is healthy. It indicates that the market now views C-REIT as a stable, blue-chip-like dividend provider where investors are willing to pay a premium price for safety. C-REIT's dividend history reveals a highly successful company whose actual cash payouts have consistently grown every year since its public listing. The slight decline in its dividend yield percentage is actually a sign of financial health, proving that investors' confidence has driven the stock price up, while the core renewable energy business continues to generate reliable, inflation-protected income. But every investment has risks. and today we'll focus on the biggest ones. First, a lot of investors buy C-REIT mainly for dividends, and yes, the yield has been attractive, around 5 to 6% depending on the stock price. But here's the reality. REIT dividends are never guaranteed. If business conditions weaken, occupancy falls, or cash flows slow down, dividends can stagnate or even decrease. In fact, some investors have already noticed that C-REIT's dividends have remained relatively flat for several quarters. So if you're expecting massive dividend growth every year, you may be disappointed. Second, REITs are extremely sensitive to interest rates. When interest rates rise, investors can move money into safer investments like bonds or time deposits. That makes REITs less attractive. And when REITs become less attractive, the stock price can fall. This is one of the biggest reasons why many REITs struggle during high inflation periods. Even if C-REIT continues paying dividends, the market price itself can still decline. Third, C-REIT's success is heavily tied to the renewable energy sector. That creates concentration risk. If renewable energy projects slow down, if government policies change, if power prices weaken, or if project delays happen, C-REIT's future growth could be affected. Now, to be clear, renewable energy has strong long-term potential, but this industry still depends heavily on regulation, permits, infrastructure, and capital spending, and that introduces uncertainty. Another risk investors should understand is sponsor dependence. C-REIT relies heavily on its sponsor, Citico Renewable Energy Corporation, for future asset injections and expansion. The good news, the sponsor has a large pipeline of renewable energy projects. The bad news, if the sponsor experiences financial problems, delays, or execution issues, C-REIT's growth story could slow down. In REIT investing, management quality matters a lot. Despite those risks, C-REIT actually has several strengths. First, it operates in a future-focused industry, renewable energy. Second, it has a long-term lease contracts and high occupancy rates. Third, it has delivered consistent dividends since listing. And fourth, the company continues expanding its asset base. So this is not a bad company. The question is whether it fits your investment goals. Here's my balanced view. If you're looking for stable passive income, exposure to renewable energy, quarterly dividends, and long-term investing, then C-REIT can be a solid addition to a diversified portfolio. But you should not expect explosive growth like tech stocks, and you should never put all your money into a single REIT. The best strategy is diversification. Own multiple quality assets. Think long term and focus on sustainable investing habits. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest Philippine stock market analysis, and comment below, would you invest in C-REIT for passive income?